Are you wondering how to watch local channels on your Roku device? It's a great question, especially if you're looking to enjoy live TV without a cable subscription. In this video, I'll walk you through how to access local channels on Roku using easy and effective methods. And let's get started. There are two main ways to watch local channels on Roku. First, you can use a live TV streaming service like YouTube TV, Hulu plus Live TV, or Sling TV, which offer local channels in select markets. Simply download the app for your chosen service from the Roku channel store, sign in, and check if your local ABC, CBS, FOX, or NBC affiliates are available based on your ZIP code. If these services don't cover your area, another option is to use an HD antenna. Pair your Roku with a channel scanning app like Plex or HD Home Run, connect your antenna to a compatible device, and stream free over-the-air broadcasts directly to your Roku. This way, you can enjoy all your local channels hassle-free. If this video helped you learn how to watch local channels on Roku, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.